Well, Jessica, this might be one of those devil is in the details sort of situations for some state employees. They thought they were going to be safe because they got either medical or religious exemptions, but they're finding out that may not be the case. And that might be why the state's vaccination rate is on the rise.
The vaccine mandate covers more than 60,000 state workers, road crews, those who clean up oil spills for the Department of Ecology, and prison workers. And a growing number of state employees are getting vaccinated. According to the latest data from the state's Office of Financial Management, the vaccination rate among state employees jumped nearly 20% between September 6th and the 20th. The Department of Transportation saw a huge jump from just over a quarter to 3/4 of employees. The State Patrol and Department of Health also saw healthy boosts in vaccinated employees. As for the exemptions, so far over 5,700 have applied for them, with less than half of those being granted. State agencies have made accommodations for 788 of those exempt employees, reassigning them to non-public positions like working from home. But the rest, more than 1,700, face potential termination as soon as next week.
This is just a recipe for disaster.
A spokesperson for Governor Jay Inslee confirms even exempt employees can be fired if an agency cannot make accommodations to keep those employees from interacting with the public.
Feels very dismissive, and it's frustrating.
State employee Joni Pfeiffer got an email saying the state approved her religious exemption, but she was devastated to hear she'd likely lose her job because without a vaccine, she would put the public at risk. She helps people with disabilities find work. But the grandmother says the risk of being unemployed is still not enough to get her vaccinated.
To me, I don't feel like I need the vaccine. I feel like God is protecting me from this, and He will continue to protect me from this. And I shouldn't have to be forced to put something into my body that I don't believe in.
Unless something changes with the governor's proclamation, and really within the next week, the Washington State Patrol says it is preparing to let more than 300 people go, and those are employees who were given either medical or religious exemptions. Live in Olympia, Drew Mickelson, King 5 News.